Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and oh my god, enough people have said my looks are too bold or the colors are too bright. They want, something kind of a little bit more muted. So today I'm gonna bring you that. So if you want to see, you already know what look I come up with. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and let's get into this. So yeah, I know I do a lot of like bright looks. Those are my go-tos, but today is the day I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a muted look. So first I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's just a brown, nothing special or nothing crazy, and we're gonna start with that. And then this is a E13 from Morphe. I love this shade from here. This is called Cocoa, and this is the Spice Latte from Ruby May. Just kind of like just stamping this here, and then I'm gonna use something else to buff it up. Stamp, stamp, stamp is your friend. I almost feel like just using my powder to blend that, but we'll see. This is a M441. It's just a clean brush. I'm not putting any product on here. Tell you guys, this look is gonna be pretty boring, but that's what you guys want, so that's what I'm gonna give. Okay, it's fine, I know I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna take this is a T83 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna go into my powder just to blend it out a little bit more. Okay. I don't know. This is not me, but today it's gonna be me. Let's go ahead and let's put a little bit of primer, because the shade I'm gonna put there is gonna be pretty light, so I need something to it's kind of dirty right here. Let's clean that up, because I don't want that brown to be in that other shade, because it will kind of defeat the purpose, right? I am just like so not into this because this is not my favorite look. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here called Sahara, which is pretty much nothing, and I'm gonna put that right there. And this is a T48 brush. Maybe this is too dark. I don't know about this shade. I feel like I want something a little bit lighter, I know I have a lighter shade than this. I like it, but I wish it was just a little bit lighter. Just a tad bit, nothing crazy, light. Okay, let's try this shade right here, which is Undressed in the Nudie Patootie palette from Beverly. Oh my god. Yep, that's better. I'm just gonna put it over this. yeah, that is much better. Now I'm gonna go back to Miss Coco and I'm just gonna like blend it. Okay, so that's it guys. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. This is the natural eye, you know, I mean, that's what you guys are gonna get. That's it. I'm gonna use my Touching Soul primer. I think this is a natural look. I only did this using what, 3 shades? See? 3 shades and they're a muted shade, so that's it. You know what? I haven't used my Fenty foundation in a minute. Let me go ahead and use that. You know what? If I remember correctly, this was quite light. Yep, and that has not changed. See, in person it's not like crazy light, but I can see like it's really light on camera. But you know, we'll fix it, I guess. And I'm gonna use my Hourglass concealer. I'm gonna use my truffle stick from Fenty. We're gonna blend that with our E34 from Morphe. So it gives you a nice little shadow right here. I need a brush to blend this. I have so many brushes. I need to wash these brushes. But now I can't find a brush to blend my concealer. When I'm done doing this, I'm gonna bring all my brushes downstairs so I can wash it. Traveling and I need new blushes or clean brushes, I should say. I'm gonna use my G38 from Morphe. Just blending everything nicely, stamp and stamp and stamp. Okay, I haven't used this powder in a minute. It's my Nikia Joy powder. This powder is really good. Not sure why I haven't used it in a while. And with my Moda brush. Ooh, this has something pink on it. There's a lot of dust. And to set the rest of my face, well, not that, because this is like done. I need a new one. I think I have a new one somewhere there. I'm just using my Sephora powder and my brush from Sephora, my 50 brush. Look at this pimple. Was the one in my forehead. And it's like, hey, I moved in, it's comfortable here, you should move in here too. So that's what that other pimple did, it moved in. So now I have 2. I'm gonna do a bold lip. Like, I need something to pop this eye up. I know. But hey, the eye is plain, right? Like, oh, not as crazy. Just put in a little bit of base. Checking off, because I'm gonna use this E14, not E14, T14 brush. And we're gonna go back to Cocoa. Let's dust this up while as I break some stuff. Again, I'm gonna use my brush. And then I have an M506 brush. And we're just gonna go into that first shade, Sahara, and we're just gonna, just buff it up a little bit so it's not so harsh. Now I'm gonna go back to Nudie. Actually, before I do that, let's put some brown pencil in the waterline. And this is Cocoa from Juvia's Place. It's the Nubian eyeliner. Oh, there you go. My TV just stopped. But this just stopped going to my TV, but it's all good.
Sir, we have a situation over here.
If there's a wiener on that monitor, I swear to God, Stu.
We're just gonna keep it moving. It's trying, to make us not be great, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna take an M506 and I'm gonna go back to Undressed. And I'm just gonna bring this down. So that is it for the eye. So let's go ahead and let's bronze. Okay, let me use my dirty brush and I'm gonna actually use my contour powder. Should I use this first? I'm gonna go to here, which is my Juvia's Place bronzer. And now I'm gonna go in to my Melt Cosmetics medium dark contour and my R14 brush. I'm not putting a lot of this because this is super dark. Just a little bit. Ooh, a little bit. Look at this. This girl does not know what a little bit means. Put over here because I'm gonna go crazy with this and no. I'm gonna use my Ruce 350 brush and my volume 1. Actually, yeah, volume 1. I'm gonna use maybe a little bit of this. This one is super dark, so if you're kind of like my complexion or lighter, you need to, you have to go with a light hands. Very, very, very light hand. And I'm gonna use my trio from Makeup Forever. Let's do a little nose contour. Same thing, I'm gonna use my medium. I hope this thing is still recording because it's gonna be annoying. Okay, time for the lip. That's what's gonna happen on that lip. I guess this one, which one is this one? 205, 205. Oh, by the way, this is from YSL. Yep, that's exactly what it's gonna be, bold. Oh, I love this. I could literally have the best applicator. Okay, so we are almost done. We are almost done. Okay, so yeah, so this is the final look, you know, nice, natural, kind of, you know, quick, easy eye look. And then, bam, with a good lip, you know, like a nice, bright lip. So yeah, so that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Confronted by another pivotal decision, she decided then and there to keep it real.
Nope. Nope, we ain't doing this. Oh, they're coming for me like this. Look at this. Let's clean up this. Okay, now we're gonna close. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. You know, we have fun here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.